Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to teach you how I made this beautiful, simple, beginner friendly dress for my 9-year-old niece. If you are interested in learning how to make this dress, then join me. Let's get started. So I have here 2 pieces of fabric that are folded, and then I just held it with pins, so I'll just remove the pin here. I folded it into 4 pieces, so this is it, and the fold line is towards this side. So the width of this fabric is 13 inches and the length of the fabric is 33 inches. So from the top of the fabric I'm going to go down by 3 inches and then mark, and also from that mark I will go in by 3 inches as well and then mark as well. Then I'll come in with a ruler and then just connect the line this way to touch the 3-inch mark, and also draw the line upward to touch the top this way. The next I'll do is just to draw in my armhole curve this way, and then I'll go ahead and then cut out the armhole. So after cutting out the armhole, I'll just remove my pins. I put these pins on this fabric to secure the fabric while cutting. So after opening the fabric, this is what we have here. I have 2 pieces, one for the front and one for the back. So the next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to come in with a bias tape and then just clean the armhole of this dress. So after cleaning the armhole, this is what I have here. The next I'm going to do is to clean the neckline of this dress as well. So I'll just fold the fabric in a bit by probably 1/4 of an inch on both the front and the back, and I'll head to my sewing machine and then stitch the neckline down. So after stitching the neckline down, this is what I have here. I'll go ahead and further fold this fabric here this way by 0.75 inches and then stitch it on the sewing machine for both the front and the back. I'll be stitching on the same stitch line I used in cleaning the neckline of this dress. So I have these 2 long strips of fabric that I'm going to use in sewing the straps of this dress. I'll head to my sewing machine and then stitch the straps down. So after creating the channel in which the straps will be passing through, the next thing I'm going to do is to come in with my straps and then pass it through the channel. But before that, I'll head to my sewing machine and then join the sides of this dress down on 1/2 inch and also stitch the other side down as well. Then I would finish the hem of this dress as well. So with the help of a safety pin, I'm going to pass the straps through the channels that we created for both the front and then the back. And then I'll just tie the straps, and we are done with this dress. I hope you had so much fun sewing this as I did. Thank you so much for making time to watch this video. We'll see you in our next video. Bye.